Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to empty trash on Android, so let's get into it. First of all, let's open Mobile Settings. Once Settings open, scroll down to find App Settings. Here it is. Let's open App Settings. Here we have some app-related settings, but we will go with Manage Apps. A list of apps open up on the screen. All these apps are installed in my mobile phone. Let's open any app. I will select Google Chrome from this list, then tap on the first option, which is Storage. And here you can see the app size, user data, and cache. At the very bottom, we have Clear Data option. Let's tap on it. And here, select the second option, that is Clear Cache. And then tap on OK. You can see that cache is removed. In this way, we can remove trash on Android mobile phone. There is another way to do this. Let's go back to mobile home screen. Here we have Cleaner app that is also used to remove trash files on mobile phone. This is a built-in app and available in every Android mobile phone. Tap on this app to open it. Within a few seconds, it will scan your mobile phone and find all trash data. Simply tap on Cleanup and the trash data will be removed. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.